Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle. In the edition of today's newspaper on Monday, August the 12th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and 4 stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain, the 4 stars Sudoku and binary. Yes, it's binary time. This one will be number 9079. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Yeah, there's a lot of printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O, between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1 here, no, there, no, double O here, 1 there, 1, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's, double O, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones, double 1 here, no, there, no, double 1 here, no, there, no, between 2 O's comes in 1, between the O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's, 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1, double 1 here, no, there, no, double O here, 1 there, 1, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones, 4 ones we have here in the first row, so the rest are O's, double O here, 1 there, 1, double 1 here, no, there, no, double check, 1, 2, 3, 4, correct in 2 minutes. We solve it again, told you, should be an easy one, And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the 4 stars Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.